Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into TapRooT TV today. I'm Emily Pritt and I'm here with Michelle Wishon to talk to us about a special track we have coming up this year in the 2022 Global TapRooT Summit, and I'm talking about the Certified Instructor Track. Now the track is for people who are already instructors. It's not something you take to become one, is that correct?
That's correct, yes. You must follow the requirements in order to become a certified instructor, and then you will attend this track in order to maintain your certification.
Excellent. Now there's 7 topics that we have in this track, and we can always add more, but right now as it sits looking at registration, we want to talk about a little bit about some of these tracks.
Yeah.
So I'll let you, our topics inside the track. So I'll let you kick off and tell us about them.
Yeah, absolutely. So you must attend that class, the one class in that track, the recertification class. But we did design that track to put some classes in there that are going to be specific for you. Now you're free to change your schedule, but I would recommend that you stay in line with this track and attend these sessions. We've got the What's New in the TapRooT software session, which is fabulous, and everybody just loves that. You're going to learn what we developed the previous year, what's coming out, and all the features of the software if you are using the software. We do have Managing Your TapRooT Improvement Plan, and this is very important for you to keep TapRooT active in your company and keep it, help manage it and keep it on track and so forth. And Mark Paradise will be teaching that session as well. Designing a roadmap to success has become one of our most popular classes at the summit, and you'll get a lot of takeaways from that, a lot of paper documents, and we work with clients all the time outside of the summit on developing a roadmap for their company as well.
There's another one, it's Amplifying, and we've got Vincent Phipps coming back.
Yes.
So he's going to talk about how to amplify your presentation.
Yeah.
It's a great workshop to learn effective ways to communicate and really get people engaged.
Yes, and he can definitely do that.
Oh, yeah.
We love Vincent.
And then there's one in here too that you're part of, that's the recertification.
Yes, yes. So that is the one you are required to attend. So I'll be teaching that session, and in that session you are going to get your new material, and then we're going to talk a little bit about what's coming up for the new year in your material as well. It's a good Q&A session and to learn from other certified instructors, especially if you're new. If you're a new certified instructor, so coming to that session, you get to talk to the other instructors who have been teaching for quite a while.
And it's important because techniques are improving in our courses. There's always another way that we're doing things, and it's always important just to stay on top of all that. So
it's absolutely.
Super important.
Yes.
Now to be able to see all of the course options that are in here within this track, to see all the other tracks, everything else we have at the summit, you're going to go to our summit page, which is at taproot.com/summit. We'll also put a link below. And we want to know in the comments, what are you excited about? If you'll just drop us a note and let us know what track sounds the most interesting to you, what you're looking forward to see, and we will see you at the summit.
Bye.
Bye-bye.